Okay, Bean Beauties, you're probably going to hear the dogs barking outside and the dogs barking inside because the dogs outside are barking. It's just madness over here. It's that time of year where it's just busy. It's always busy around here anyway in the neighborhood. I'm just the one who's inside all the time. Hey, Bean Beauties, I want to do a review for y'all on this bag. This is the Coachtopia Alter Ego and the black and white checkered. If you are interested in that, then come on back. Yes, spoiler alert. I love this bag. I absolutely adore this bag. I highly recommend the bag. If you want to step on out now, feel free. But no, I do have a couple of things. I did have a couple of friends that purchased this bag. I had Jorgelina from Jorgelina's Journey. I had Melissa from Simply Lady M, and Delene from Yoshia Lux. Purchased this bag. All three of them said that they felt that I influenced them to get it and they had to get it. So they were stalking the website and they were actually able to get it. So we all helped each other out and I passed the word along when Jorgelina told me, and so the three of them were able to grab. Keep an eye on their channels if they haven't already unboxed them via long form or short form videos. So I used this for almost 3 weeks straight, probably about 2 or 3 days shy of 3 weeks straight. And then I pulled it out like 3 days, separate days. I was in a smaller bag and I needed a bigger bag for the day's occasion. And I pulled this out and used this. And it was just a very, very easy carry. I exclusively am using it as a shoulder bag because it's just excellent for it. The crossbody doesn't quite fit me as a crossbody. It fits me in an emergency, but I haven't really been carrying the crossbody strap with me, which is unusual because this has a lot of room in it, and so it's able to hang everywhere with it. I also mix my metals with it. I add gold charms along with the silver that comes with it. This one comes with two charms here. Yeah, and I've kept this on there. Why? Because I'm crazy. I'm crazy. And what I did tell my friends when they were purchasing the bag is to make sure that they look it over right away. Make sure there are not any pop seams, any squares that are uneven or messed up that you're not willing to live with, because they are individual squares and they are sewn together. I'll try to input some footage from the Coach
The
website.
Coach Quilted Tabby and its counterpart, the Coachtopia Alter Ego Shoulder Bag. Here, in their natural habitat, they come to life together. Our master craftsman selects the perfect leather, chosen for its fine grain and supple texture. Nature's finest, ready for transformation. With precision and care, the quilted tabby takes shape stitch by stitch. But as the leather is cut, some scraps are left behind. The alter ego slouchy form is crafted from these very scraps, saving them from going to waste. At Coachtopia, each stitch is a step towards a more sustainable future. Two distinct bags, crafted from the same exquisite leather. Timeless Coach craftsmanship, reimagined for a circular world. Have taste, love waste.
I think the next time I wear it, I will be taking this off and trying something different on it. I like how this looks, but I think I'm ready to try something different on it as well now. But for now, I just like how it looks on there. What I did tell them is that right here, the stitching is a little off. What I think it is, in my opinion, is that it looks like when, if you are seamstress, it looks like when you do a back stitch to end your stitching, that you just kind of do a lock stitch there in place when you back stitch it, and that's what it looks like. And it's just a little bit messy, but doesn't bother me. It's like you can't really see it unless you look onto it. I didn't notice it for probably a good week or so. I think, I'm not sure who I was talking to, had asked me, or has any seams popped or anything? And I was looking at it, and that's when I noticed it. I didn't notice it off the bat. So it wasn't too late to return it or try to exchange it, but I didn't feel the need to. It does have the branding right here. I love the branding. I love that it says Coachtopia, because this is the one product. This is the product line that I am impressed with through the Coachtopia program. The other ones, when they're using bonded leather, I don't agree with that. I think this is the pure way of recycling, upcycling, is that they're taking the product directly from leftover piece of a piece that they use to make the quilted tabbies and the Brooklyns. So I think that it's just a smart, epic way of doing it. It's just like picking it up off the floor and using it, which is things that I have done all my life. When I was in college and we were doing stuff, I've always taken scrap pieces of wood, scrap pieces of material, and turned them into other things. And I think that that's what they're doing on a global scale. And that I'm impressed with. The other things of Coachtopia, not so much. I do recommend it. It doesn't have any feet on it. I would like feet on it, but you can always buy the Gal's Guide feet on it. I do have some. I had them on for a little while, and then I had gotten moved out of it, and I didn't put them back on. I just love this bag. She's very soft. She is soft stuff, but look, she's very pliable, very soft. Now it is Nappa leather, so it's a little bit more of a tender leather, a little bit more. I wouldn't say fussy, but just you just have to be just a little bit more gentle. It probably will snag easier and stuff, but I'm not very careful with this either. And look how great it looks after a month's use. It no real scratches, no tears, definitely no tears or anything like that. I Like I said, I'm not super careful. She's lived in the wagon. I toss her into the wagon when we go to the baseball games. I've tossed her, hung her off of the corner of the chairs at the baseball games, tossed her here on the corner over here. So she's lived a full life in a month's time, and so she has held up very, very well. So I do think that she is a bag that would be worth grabbing. I believe that she was 295 or 225. I think this size is 295. I'll try to pop it up here. I'll try to link her in the description box for you. If you're using my LTK links, thank you very much. I know a few of y'all have, and I've gotten small commissions off of it. When I say small commissions, they are small commissions. But I greatly appreciate you taking the time and the effort, and also following me on my LTK shop. That gives you the opportunity to see what I am looking at as far as products before I even have time to post them. But if you have any specific questions or anything, then please go ahead and ask me in the description box. Let me properly show you what's inside. It does come with a beautiful, beautiful dust bag. This is the crossbody strap. Here's what it looks like on the inside. It has the great patch. It does have where you can scan the QR code and it tells you a bunch of information. I haven't done it yet because it's just one of those things. It does have the snap, it's a good snap pocket here, and it's a nice size pocket. Here is, here, let's see, does this have the retail price? $295. Yeah, $295 is what she cost. Now this was one of the rare items that I paid full price for, because these don't go on sale, but I think that this is a fair price for this. The inside is a poly blend. On the inside, you can't, unfortunately it's black, so you really can't see on the inside. That probably would be my only criticism, is that with it being, it's always hard when they do a dark lining. I like a lighter lining, but you just change up your SLGs and that helps. So see, if you don't have a lot in it, then this is the slouch that it gives, which I really love the slouch. Usually I try to not have more than that in it, but since I am storing her right now, I like to have her stuffed so that she doesn't have get any kind of weird creases in it. And so even with her stuff like that, she still has a beautiful slouch. Beautiful, beautiful slouch. If you have any questions, like I said, please leave them in the comment box. I'll try to answer it. I do think it's worth the money. I do think it is a beautiful bag, a very well done bag. I'm very, very impressed. And it'd be one worth grabbing for yourself for Christmas or for a loved one for Christmas as well. They have the black, and I think they have the, I forgot, I'll try to link them up, but they go in and out of stock. They will restock. They kind of go in a cycle, so you just kind of have to be stalking the website and hit that notification bell from Coach so that you can get the notification. Alrighty, thank you so much for coming by. I hope I was able to give you a nice quick synopsis of why I love this bag and why I feel that it is worth it. It has been worth my time, effort, and hard-earned money to grab her. Please, if you are so inclined, I ask that you like, share, subscribe if you haven't already done so, so that I can try to get as close to 2K by the end of the year, continue my growth here on YouTube. If you would like to continue the conversation in the comment box and don't know what to say, I usually put a pinned comment in the comment box to kind of help spur a conversation in case you don't know what to say. Feel free to look at that and answer the comment in there, or just put a black and white heart down in the comment box. And this way it lets me know that you're out there, and then I can see you down in the comment box. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye bye.